Food, family, and friends. When you bring them together, you're creating so much more than a meal. You're creating memories. You'll remember the stories told, the laughter you shared, and the love you felt for a lifetime. At Pampered Chef, we help you create memories with easy recipes, intuitive cooking tools, and everyday inspiration. You'll nourish everyone at your table and still have time to savor every moment. Tonight, let's ditch drive-through meals and pizza delivery and bring mealtime back home instead. Grab your little helpers, pick out your favorite recipes, and press the pause button on life. You'll be glad you did. Together, we can bring back dinner time, because food, family, and friends are the most important ingredients in everyone's life.